Little wall. I'm showing you your unit here. 3. This is room A. Here, room A. Here, you have a lot of closet space. Big closet there. A lot of closet space. Here we're going to room B. Right here. Nice big room here. Turn the light on. Room B. Here. Try to stay with the hardwood floors. Closet space. You have enough closet space there. Okay. Again, this is room B. And we're heading on to room C. Room C. Right here. Floors, nice. Radiator. That'd be room C. Yeah, that wall is painted. Okay. And we'll go into the bathroom here. Bathroom here. So you see, everything looks nice. Kitchen. Fridge. Nice looking stove. You have sink, cabinet area. And that'll be the entrance of the unit here. Okay.